Hello again, guys. Welcome back to Patricia Johnson Lifestyle channel. And as you can see in this video, my hair has been neglected for quite a while, and it's winter time and it's very stressful to detangle. Now in today's video, I will show you how to make the simplest and cheapest gel mixture to detangle your natural 4C hair. Let's go! Now guys, here are the ingredients that you would need to prepare this easy and simple gel mixture. So first you will need 1/4 cup of flaxseed, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable glycerine, and 1/2 teaspoon of organic honey. And this honey, guys, is straight from my honey farm. You can check out honey beekeeping. Next, you're going to bring your flaxseed to the stove and you're going to add it to the water, and you're going to bring this to a boil. And you're going to stir this for about 7 to 10 minutes, and you have to stir constantly, guys, until it forms into a gel-like substance.
You will notice it becoming slightly stretchy. That's how you know it's ready. Once it reaches this texture, I strain the seeds out while the gel is still warm. Now at this stage, the gel should feel smooth and slippery between your fingers. So yes guys, you can set this aside now to cool slightly afterwards, you know, just for a little while, and you can let it stand for, you know, even another 5 minutes if you want to. And then from here I add my extra virgin olive oil, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoonful of extra virgin olive oil. You can add it directly to the mixture, the gel, if you want, but I just have these containers here. I'm just adding them there. Next, I'm going to add the glycerine to another bowl. So the glycerine, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon full of glycerine. And guys, just to let you know, a little goes a long way, so you don't have to add too much glycerine. And the glycerine will help to draw the moisture into the hair and improve the flexibility during the detangling process, right? So you can just add a small amount of glycerine, you know. Next, I'm going to add some organic honey, and this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of organic honey, and this helps to soften the hair and give it the moisture and give it a smoother feel to the mixture. It also helps to prevent the hair from feeling dry or stiff during the application of the gel. Right, so you know how you'd feel those after you apply gel. It would feel a little bit crunchy or you know, a little crunchy or so. This will help to keep the moisture in the hair before you start doing your wash day. So we're gonna mix these ingredients together, and guys, you have to mix it consistently, you know, for it to, you know, blend well. Some persons may use like a whisker or so, but I'm just using this wooden spoon just the same after I add the ingredients, just to keep, because I want to have that gel-like feeling, you know, after the mixture has been combined. So yes, after you're scraping all the goodness out of the containers, now you're just gonna blend it well together, right? And when you're applying this mixture, guys, remember that you're gonna apply it to damp hair. You're gonna use some warm water to wet your hair and apply the mixture in a small section at a time to help prevent pulling or breakage of your hair. So start at the end and gently work your way up to the roots. This allows the knots in the hair to loosen naturally instead of forcing them apart. So use your fingers to comb through when you're applying this gel, okay, and it will help to soften and coat the hair, and you will feel that slippery and the manageability of that hair immediately when you apply this gel. I use it, and trust me, it's the best way to do my pre-shampooing, and it will help to reduce shedding and dry, you know, the dryness and brittle of the hair. Now I store this gel. You can store this in a container, like a glass container, a bowl, or a glass container, and you can store this for up to 7 days in a refrigerator. But I'm gonna use mine today because I'm actually preparing to wash my hair. So that is it. You can store it, as I said, up to 7 days, and there you have it. That's your gel, your flaxseed gel, olive oil, honey, and glycerine mixture for your pre-shampoo. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, save it for your next wash day, and please remember to subscribe to the channel, guys, and let me know in the comments if you have tried the flaxseed gel before, or if you're planning to try this mixture once you know you're gonna do your wash day. Just do it before